1. It can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. According to Paul Reber, professor of psychology at Northwestern University, the human brain can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. That's equivalent to 300 years worth of TV shows. To the average weight of the adult human brain is 3 pounds. On average, the adult brain weighs 3 pounds. For reference, this is comparable to how much a cantaloupe weighs. 3. Memories are stored for both short-term and long-term use at the same time. Neuroscientists have known for a long time that the hippocampus stores short-term memories. However, a recent study revealed that while short-term memories are formed in the hippocampus, they are simultaneously stored in another part of the brain for long-term memories. 4. Vitamin B1 can help improve short and long-term memory. Vitamin B1 is essential to producing the brain chemical, acetylcholine, which is needed for concentrating and storing memories. 5. Easy access to information can make it harder to remember. 6. Being able to quickly access information via our borderline invincible internet actually makes it harder to remember. The harder we work to access data, the more likely we are to remember. 6. Memories start forming in the womb. Memories start forming in the womb, as this is a critical time for brain development. Memory recall can occur as early as 4 months into pregnancy. 7. It uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy. The brain uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy, which travels to the brain through blood vessels. Nerve cells in the brain need a lot of energy. Without adequate oxygen and energy to the central nervous system tissue, one can suffer impaired brain functions and neurological disorders. 8. It's composed of 73% water. The brain is 73% water. It only takes 2% dehydration to affect your attention and memory. 9. Sweating can temporarily shrink the brain. An hour and a half of sweating can temporarily shrink brain size as much as 1 year of aging does. 10. 5 minutes without oxygen can cause brain damage. 5 minutes without oxygen can lead to brain cells dying, which causes brain damage. 12. It generates 12 to 15 watts of electricity. The brain generates between 12 and 25 watts of electricity. That's enough to power a low wattage light bulb. 13. Neurons travel 150 mph in the brain. Neurons travel 150 mph in the brain. Different types of neurons move at different speeds. For example, pain signals move much slower than other ones. 14. Those who take a quiz twice are 65% more likely to remember the facts. Those who take a quiz after its revision are 65% more likely to remember the 15. Learning new things increases gray matter in the brain. When we learn something new, our brain forms new connections between neurons. This then increases visible gray matter in the brain. 16. Memory is prioritized by emotion. Memory is prioritized by emotion. But this also means that a lot of our memories are unintended, flawed fiction. 17. Emotions can alter our brain chemistry. Similarly to the above fact, emotions drastically alter our brains. The chemical reactions stirred by feelings can be physically seen in brain scans and studies of gray matter. 18. It has an average of 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. The average brain has between 50,000 and 70,000 thoughts a day. Upsettingly, the majority of the thoughts are negative. 19. More than 100,000 chemical reactions take place in the brain every second. With roughly 100 billion brain cells, more than 100,000 chemical reactions take place in the brain every second. 20. It starts slowing at around 24 years old. 95% of all decisions are subconscious.